Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very nice, fresh, glowy summer makeup look that I've been loving. I wanted to film this video like very organically speaking as I'm doing my makeup, like talking as I'm doing my makeup, but I don't know if you can hear or not. There's literally drilling. My neighbors are doing construction, I guess. So I'm not 100% sure that you can hear it on camera, but I don't want to take the risk, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this video. But yeah, let's get into the makeup. So I start with using this Wet n Wild concealer everywhere I need. I don't really like to use foundation in general, and especially during summer. Honestly, I don't really think it's good for your skin. So I just put it under my eyes, I put it on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on any kind of blemishes that I might have. Then I make sure it's all nice and blended. Then I take this Catrice All Matte Powder and set all of my concealer. I have a combination skin, and during summer I do get quite oily, so I do like to set it. Plus I'm gonna use a lot of highlighter in this makeup look, so I just want to set it. Then I take this bronzer from this NYX palette and just put it on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my chin, and then I also contour my nose with it. My nose contouring is I definitely do think that I need to learn how to do it better, but I just contour it and then blend it out so it looks more natural. Then I take this Lamal liquid highlighter and put it on the high points of my face, and I also just put it anywhere else on my eyelids, especially any leftovers on my finger. I really like using this type of liquid highlighter, and then I actually set it with a powder highlighter on top. But I really like using liquid highlighter as a base during summer just because I feel like it glows so pretty. It looks so pretty in the sun. Then I take this brow liner and I fill in my eyebrows, and then I'll use the Catrice Clear Brow Mascara. I didn't actually show it for whatever reason, but I'm gonna use that to set my eyebrows. Then I use this Maybelline Color Tattoo in the color Pink Gold all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to take the color Mary from James Charles X Morphe palette and put it in my outer corner and in my crease. Also blend it to my bottom lash line. And then I take the same brow pencil and do a little eyeliner with it, just a tiny bit. Then I take this Cabaret Premier Vivienne Sabot mascara in brown. I do it this way to color through the roots of my eyelashes and then just go over it, and it makes them look more bushy, I guess. Then I also put it on my bottom lash line, and here's the eye look done. Then I take this Lamal lip pencil in color 01 and just line my lips and fill them in. And afterwards I take this clear Essence gloss and just put it all over my lips, and that's the look done. So here's how it looks. It glows super beautifully in the sun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.